Hi there, here is Bogdan from Lakera, and today I'm really thrilled to introduce you to our newest product, the Lakera Chrome Extension. As we noticed in the last year, a lot of people started using ChatGPT either at home or at work for solving different issues, different tasks. For this special purpose, we've built the Lakera Chrome Extension to prevent you from leaking private data into your conversations with ChatGPT. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of installing the extension, integrating it into your Chrome browser, and actually using it with ChatGPT. Let's start. Firstly, go to chrome.google.com, the Chrome web store, go to the search bar and search for Lakera. Then you will find our extension, click on it, simply add to Chrome, click on add extension, and as you can see, within seconds, the extension is installed and ready to be used. You can pin the extension. After you click on the extension icon, you will see what categories of private data you are protected against. And those are 7 categories of private data: credit card numbers, names, email addresses, phone numbers, US addresses, US social security numbers, and secret keys like SSH keys or API keys. On the left-hand side, you will see a number which represents the number of detected categories of private data in your current conversation with ChatGPT. And on the right-hand side, you will see the total number of detections since you've installed the extension. Right now, let's use it with ChatGPT. Let's start a new conversation. And for today, I've prepared 2 examples. One example which contains a credit card number and the other which contains a name and a secret key. Let's start with the first one. Let's paste it into ChatGPT conversation. Let's try to send it. And as you can see, we have a detail of the problem here saying that we got a credit card detected. We have 2 options. We have the option to go back and edit our prompt, or we can proceed anyway. If we want to edit our prompt and remove the private data, the input is safe to be submitted. But there is the other option that we can choose to proceed anyway if we really want to. And if we really want to, the data is submitted to ChatGPT. Let's try the second example and see how the extension behaves. As you can see here, this number signifies the number of detections that have been made on the current conversation. As expected, we got a name detected and a secret key detected. We can go back to editing our prompt or proceed anyway, as we did with the first example. More than that, the extension is customizable for your own needs. For example, if you have a lot of names in your prompt, you can toggle the detector off, and in this way, your names won't be detected in your prompts. This is how it works. I hope you enjoyed it. Install it, rate it, and see you next time. Thank you.